I must say, now it looks so boring with that being out. So I think it's about that. Oh crap! It's about that time I removed the red diffuser now. Look at there. It's time to remove it off because it is actually coming off as it is. If you look there, nothing that's due to rain because it's been raining for a while right now. So I think it's about that time. It's been in the sun. Look at that. I feel like if I drove with it any much more, it would actually fall off. So hopefully I can take it off and record with one hand at the same time. Oh, that's dirt that's here. Oh, there you go. It's just that easy. And it's also got the negative mode. Well, the negative mode. Let's take this car back to the way it used to be. But just for now, I'm gonna do this with one hand, guys. Oh, the car that is needed because of the masking tape that is all over this car. Literally a few more bumps and the whole thing would have just fallen off. So I'm just holding this so it doesn't actually break. Like here, where it's still stuck. Doing this one, man, might not be the best thing to do. Oh, but it's just peeling off so easy. I think it was its time to come off. This is easier than some of the other parts, I must say. Way easier. Oof. And that is that. Ooh. Come on with it. Easy, quick and replace and back to stock. I hope you guys can see it because the brightness is not the best. Okay, next day vibes. Let's move on to actually adding some body filler onto the parts. As I'm sure you've realized, everything has been removed off the car and things are not looking, well, they are looking actually pretty great. And on top of that, don't forget, I don't know what I'm doing. So if you have more information and more insight on what I should do next, please do inform me or improve my knowledge. So the body filler, to my understanding, it should be one hardener to 8 bits of the body filler, and then mix the two together, apply it and leave it to dry. So that's what I ended up doing with the front canards, back canards, and also the rear diffuser. I've realized only 80%, well 20% of you guys are subscribed, and the other 80, either new, haven't subscribed yet. Please make sure you do subscribe. Please make sure you do like. Please make sure you share this content just to allow me to understand what you guys like and what you guys don't like. And yeah, don't forget, subscribe, like, do the right thing. Let's go. So this is where I am officially. Just masking tape that baby on. Taking away all the cuts and extra stuff. Obviously it's just hanging a bit, but that's all due to me just using masking tape. But as you can see, that is kind of an image of how it'll look on the car without the additional fiberglass. Thing is looking pretty neat. Obviously still need to do a lot of work, but this is more of a fitting, and then also finding where my side lights are and filling this gap, which you'd never really see unless you actually took those pieces off, but I guess I didn't, so joke's on me. But pretty much just extending that, and on the other side and cutting this out for the reflector that sits literally right there, as you can see.